Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a DIY enthusiast, mechanic, or someone who just likes having the right tools, today's video is for you. We're diving into the 10 best wrenches of 2025. We'll cover everything from adjustable wrenches to torque wrenches and everything in between. So let's get started. Number 1. The Toolant 7-inch plier wrench is an impressive tool made from CRV steel, providing exceptional strength and durability. This drop-forged construction ensures it can withstand heavy use while maintaining its integrity. It features a zinc phosphate surface treatment that offers excellent corrosion resistance, making it suitable for various environments in a workshop or on a job site. With a maximum jaw capacity of 1.5 inches or 40 millimeters, this plier wrench is incredibly versatile. It can effectively handle tasks like screwing nuts and pipes, making it a go-to tool for anyone who wants to tackle different projects without needing multiple tools. The labor-saving design includes a 10-to-1 lever ratio, allowing you to apply less effort to complete each job, which is especially beneficial during long work sessions. The quick and self-adjusting jaw features a push lock button that lets you adjust the opening size easily. This system allows you to grip and unclench the handles without needing to reposition after every turn. The parallel smooth jaws also provide a secure grip on fasteners, minimizing the risk of rounding and enhancing your overall efficiency while working. Number 2. The Lexivon 1/2 inch drive torque wrench is an exceptional tool for anyone who values precision and quality in their work. Manufactured in Taiwan, this torque wrench is engineered to provide superior accuracy, shipping pre-calibrated to within plus or minus 4%. You can trust that you'll get dependable results every time, and it even includes a calibration certificate with a trackable serial number for peace of mind. Durability is a standout feature, as it's constructed with a reinforced ratchet gear head made from hardened, heat-treated chrome vanadium alloy steel, which ensures maximum strength for the toughest tasks. To prolong its life, the proprietary electro-black finish protects against rust and corrosion. The performance of this wrench is top-notch, equipped with a patent-pending dual-range scale that makes it easy to read and set torque levels. The high-contrast yellow-on-black markings improve visibility, even in low-light conditions. Comfort is not overlooked either. The reversible ratchet head allows for driving in both directions and measuring torque clockwise. With its ergonomic, knurled handle, it offers a non-slip grip that reduces hand fatigue, making it ideal for extended use. Number 3. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 1/2 inch high-torque impact wrench with friction ring is a game-changer for anyone in need of power and efficiency in their toolkit. This tool is equipped with a brushless motor that delivers an astonishing 1,100 feet-pound of fastening torque, and for those tough nuts, it offers a whopping 1,600 feet-pound of nut-busting torque. That means you can tackle even the most stubborn bolts with confidence. One of the standout features is the auto shut-off control, which allows you to apply no more than 50 feet-pound of torque for hand-tight fastening applications. This feature is essential for preventing over-tightening, which can lead to damaged fasteners or stripped threads. Additionally, it includes a mode called bolt removal control. This mode provides users with full torque output when loosening a bolt, but then it decreases RPMs once the bolt is loosened, effectively preventing fasteners from dropping. The friction ring allows for easy socket changes, making this tool incredibly versatile for various applications. Overall, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Impact Wrench combines outstanding power, intelligent features, and user-friendly design, making it a top choice for both professionals and DIYers. Number 4. The Workpro Universal Oil Filter Wrench is an essential tool for anyone looking to change their oil efficiently and effectively. Designed to fit oil filters ranging from 2 3/8 to 3 3/4 inches in diameter, this wrench is versatile enough for a variety of engines and can be driven with a 3/8 inch square driver or a 5/8 inch wrench or socket. What makes it easy to use is its adjustable 3-jaw design paired with a strong magnetic feature, allowing you to tackle even the toughest filters, especially in tight or awkward spaces. The 3 rotatable legs ensure a firm grip, conforming perfectly to the shape of your filter. Plus, its friction design and drop-forged steel construction offer enhanced torque and reliability, so you can trust it to get the job done right every time. Another standout aspect is that this wrench is designed with user comfort in mind. Its ergonomic shape makes it easy to handle, reducing strain on your hands. Moreover, The materials used meet environmental protection standards, with total O-phenol content kept under 1000 ppm, making it a responsible choice for your tool collection. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a weekend DIYer, this tool is an indispensable addition to your garage. Number 5. The ValueMax strap wrench set is a fantastic addition to any toolbox, designed for versatility and ease of use. Made from reinforced rubber, these strap wrenches feature a thickened and widened belt for optimal durability. The large strap wrench can exert a maximum torque of 200 Newton, while the smaller one supports up to 90 Newton. It's important to avoid exceeding these torque limits to ensure safe operation and longevity of the tool. This set includes both a large wrench that manages items up to 6 inches in diameter and a smaller one for items up to 4 inches. The straps are long enough, with the large measuring 25 inches and the small 18 inches, allowing for a wide range of applications. Comfort is a priority with this tool. The handles are crafted from high-quality nylon and TPR, providing a soft, no-slip grip that helps prevent hand fatigue. They won't damage the surface of whatever you're working on, making them ideal for delicate tasks. These multifunctional oil filter wrenches are perfect for mechanics or DIY enthusiasts. Whether you're removing an oil filter, working with hard-to-reach drain pipes, or simply opening jars, the flexible strap easily conforms to any shape, making it incredibly user-friendly. Just pull the straps to adjust to the desired diameter and secure it with the metal buckle for reliable operation. Number 6. The Elad 31-piece hex key set is an outstanding choice for anyone who frequently works with hexagon socket screws. Made from heat-treated steel and featuring a black oxide finish, these wrenches are built to last, providing excellent durability and strength. The set includes 15 long-reach keys and 15 high-leverage short keys, giving you the versatility needed for a wide range of tasks. One of the key advantages of this set is that both the long and short keys have a conventional drive end, allowing for high leverage on stubborn fixings. This means you can apply more force when necessary, making it easier to tackle tough jobs. Additionally, the included torque handle enhances your ability to load and unload fasteners, providing increased reach and improving torque performance, which is particularly useful when dealing with tight spaces. The 31-piece set covers both inch and metric measurements, ensuring you have the right tools for virtually any job. Plus, with high visibility size markings on each wrench and a sturdy carrying case, organization is simple, allowing for quick size selection and convenient storage. This set is perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts looking for a comprehensive, reliable hex key solution. Number 7. The Swan Lake 3/8-inch drive impact socket set is an exceptional choice for anyone looking for durability and functionality in their toolkit. Crafted from heat-treated chrome vanadium steel, these sockets are forged to last and are treated with a corrosion-resistant black phosphoric acid to protect against rust and oil. This ensures each socket maintains its integrity even under tough working conditions. This comprehensive set comes with a 3/8-inch drive ratchet handle, along with extension bars at both 3 and 6 inches and a universal joint. It also includes a reducer from 1/2 inch to 3/8 inch. You'll find an impressive range of socket sizes in both SAE and metric measurements, covering everything from 5/16 to 3/4 inches and 8 to 22 millimeters. Laser markings on each socket make for quick and easy size identification, even in low light conditions, which is a real time saver. The customized storage box features designated slots, keeping your tools organized and secure, so they won't fall out easily. Additionally, the 6-point socket design increases the contact surface with fasteners, enhancing locking force while reducing wear and preventing rounding off corners. This set is perfect for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 8. The Maxpower 11-inch automotive wrench is an essential tool for anyone needing to reach tight spaces and corners. Its 90-degree offset design features a slim head that allows for easy access to hard-to-reach areas, making it especially useful in automotive applications. Constructed from chromium vanadium alloy steel, this wrench is built for high hardness and durability, ensuring it can withstand regular use without compromising performance. The surface treatment with nickel chromium not only enhances wear resistance, but also contributes to the wrench's overall longevity. The head and handle are integrally formed, which provides added strength and makes it less likely to break under pressure. One of the standout features is the precision turbine slideway that allows for smooth and quick adjustments to the wrench size, preventing any stuck moments that can frustrate users. With a jaw capacity of up to 3 inches, this wrench accommodates a wide range of screw sizes, making it incredibly versatile. Whether you're working on vehicles, engaging in DIY projects, repairing bicycles, or tackling machine maintenance and home repairs, this Maxpower automotive wrench is a reliable tool that you'll want in your arsenal. Number 9. The Aries 11-inch basin wrench with adjustable jaw is a must-have tool for anyone dealing with plumbing tasks. One of its standout features is the spring-loaded automatically adjusting jaw, which accommodates sizes between 3/8 inches and 1¼ inches. This makes it incredibly versatile for various fittings. The slim solid steel shaft, measuring 11 inches, combined with the sliding T-handle, provides improved leverage, allowing for easy one-handed operation, which is especially helpful in cramped spaces. Constructed from durable chrome vanadium steel and featuring a forged steel jaw, this basin wrench is built to last under tough conditions. The head can pivot up to 180 degrees, making it easy to maneuver in tight spots where access is limited. The continuous ratcheting action enables you to engage nuts efficiently without needing to reposition the wrench on each turn, streamlining the entire process. This tool is specifically designed for tasks like removing nuts on faucets, supply lines, drains, and valves. With its high leverage handle and easy operation, the Aries basin wrench simplifies under-sink work and makes plumbing repairs much less of a headache, whether you're a professional plumber or a DIY enthusiast. Number 10. The Workpro 2-piece adjustable wrench set is a fantastic addition to any toolkit, particularly for those who value durability and precision. Both wrenches are made from premium chrome vanadium steel, which provides exceptional toughness thanks to its heat-treated and drop-forged construction. The corrosion-resistant black oxide finish helps to prolong their service life, making them reliable tools for any job. What I really appreciate about this set is that each wrench includes both metric and SAE scale measurements. This feature allows you to set the jaws accurately before you start working, enhancing efficiency. Both wrenches are engraved with size markings, and you'll find that adjusting the jaws is smooth and intuitive. The 6-inch wrench has a jaw capacity of 15/16 inches, while the 10-inch wrench offers a capacity of 1 5/16 inches. This versatility makes them perfect for a range of applications. The contoured rubber-covered handles provide a comfortable grip, reducing hand stress during use. Plus, their lightweight design is easy to carry around, and the round hook hole at the end lets you hang them conveniently for easy access. Overall, this adjustable wrench set is built to perform and last, making it a worthwhile investment for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts.